Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So how was your Sunday guys? I hope you all had a great time yesterday. So today I'm back with a new video and I have something very interesting to show you all. This is my brand new gaming headset from Dynamic, and let me tell you, this is no joke guys. It's not an ordinary gaming headset. It's a professional category gaming headset from Dynamic and costs 30,000 rupees in India. It's like a very premium and expensive gaming headset, and let me tell you, see, Dynamic is a German brand and is like very popular for their microphones, audio systems, headphones and all that stuff. They're all about like studio quality sound guys. They make like very professional stuff, and this is their new gaming headset called the MMX 300, and in this video I'll be like unboxing it, using it, and I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on the product. So as usual, this gaming headset also comes with a microphone, and we'll just quickly unbox and then I'll talk about all the features and tech specs about the product. So let's quickly get started. Alright, so here's my brand new gaming headset from Dynamic, and it comes in this huge box packaging. You've got the Dynamic branding, and the model of the product is called as MMX 300. This is their second gen model that comes with a lot of upgrades over the Gen 1. It's a professional category gaming headset and offers studio quality sound, hence the premium price tag. There is nothing much written on the box guys, and as you can see, this is a made in Germany product, so you can definitely expect some top notch results from it. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me cut this seal on the box over here. There you go, and on opening it we've got some paperwork at the top. Make sure to read that. And there's a carry case in the box. That is pretty much it guys. These were the only stuff we got in the package, and I assume the headphones are inside the case. See, this is a hard shell case and has a very different egg-shaped design, and I have to tell you, I like the shape. You've got the Dynamic logo on the front, and the build quality is also very nice. Love the finishing on it. See, when you're spending 30,000 rupees on it, you can definitely expect everything to be top notch on the product. So let's quickly open it and check out the headset. Oh, you've got some accessories over here. There's a packet at the top which includes some cables. You get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable to be used with consoles or even smartphones, and the other cable is made to be used for your PC. Keeping them aside, here is our gaming headset from Dynamic, the MMX 300. It's available only in black color, and this is how it looks like. Damn, those are some really big ear cups. We'll just come back to the headphones in a moment. First, let me see if there is anything else in the case. Okay, there's a 3.5mm to 6.35mm gold plated adapter. And that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the headphones. The MMX 300 are a closed dynamic type gaming headset that is handcrafted by using the finest materials in Germany. It's got huge ear cups with the model of the headphones written on both the sides, and the headset weighs around like 332 grams. It's a wired headset that comes with a detachable cable, and on the left you got a fully adjustable microphone with a wind cut foam on it. You can easily rotate it and adjust the position, but it's not detachable. Talking about the headband, it's got a complete metal frame on the inside with the Dynamic logo, and yes, it's also adjustable to fit almost any head size. The cushioning on the headband is good, and it's also removable if you want. And talking about the ear cups, wow, the ear cups feel very luxurious. They're made of super smooth velvet like material, and the cushioning is also nice on both the ear cups as well as the headband. Now, if you ask about the ports or the buttons present on it, there's only one 3.5mm port on it where you need to connect the cable. Let me just do that and show you. We got two different cables to be used with different devices, and the cable comes with the remote control unit. There's a microphone on or switch on it, and also a volume rocker to the side. So that is pretty much it guys. That was like my complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just put them on and tell you about the comfort and the sound. The MMX 300 are quite comfortable to wear for long time gaming, and the ear cushions and the headband feel pretty soft and comfortable. The noise isolation was also very good. Now coming to the audio, well, there's a lot to tell you guys here. First of all, this is a wired headset and comes with two different cables to be used with different type of devices. It's compatible with smartphones, PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and literally anything. Coming to the sound, the MMX 300 come with Dynamic's signature dynamic drivers and offer excellent quality sound. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocal clarity was nice, and I could hear each and every detail in the audio. The high frequency response was also very good, was producing silky smooth treble without much harshness. And coming to the bass, man, the bass was awesome. It has large drivers, right? So it was producing crazy low frequency rumble with punchy bass. Especially while playing games, sounds like gunfirings, bomb blasts felt super realistic and awesome. The stereo imaging was also great. Was quite impressed with the audio. Now let me tell you about the spatial sound effects. See, the MMX300 also support 3-dimensional 7.1 spatial sound effects by using a software called as Immerse. You can activate all these options and experience a 7.1 virtual surround sound effect. These spatial effects were pretty useful, especially while playing games like PUBG, Fortnite, to easily identify the direction of gunfirings, enemy footsteps, and stuff like that. It was doing a very good job here. And not only for gaming, the headphones were also decent for music. Turn off that spatial sound, set it to stereo mode, and have fun listening to music. But one thing I have to mention over here is these headphones come with large drivers, right? And on my testing, I found that the output coming from a phone or even a PC is actually not sufficient to fully drive them to their max capacity. And because of that, the volume feels a bit low on the headphones. So I would suggest you guys using a DAC or a headphone amplifier to get the best results from these sort of pro gaming headsets. Alright, let me tell you about the microphone. The MMX300 has a good quality boom mic and was producing clean and clear vocals without much sibilance. It's good for communication while gaming. So that's it guys, that was my review on Bear Dynamics MMX300. It's one of the best sounding gaming headset I've used till now. Has good build quality, offers great comfort and pretty nice microphone as well. The only thing is the headset looks very simple, like there's no RGB, no funky looks, and the microphone is also not detachable. It costs around 30,000 rupees in the Indian market. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Well, that's it for today. I hope you all liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.